Hello, Sarah. Good evening. Hello, Sarah and Mike. Can you hear me well?
Yep.
All right, very good. What about you, Mike? Can you hear me well?
Hello, teacher.
All right, that's great. So very good because you joined our class right on time. Okay, all right. So for here, without further ado, we are going to continue with Unit 17. Okay, so let's take a look at the pictures in here. So by just looking at the pictures here, you can see a journalist whose name is Sarah. And there's a famous actor called, or a film star called Matt. So by just looking at the pictures, okay, so it
A pop
has,
star. He's a pop star.
oh yes, that's right. So he is a pop star. Very good. Thank you for that one, Sarah. Okay, so here by just looking at the pictures, it has sequence. So you're going to tell the story in order according to the picture. Okay, so who wants to tell the story? Do you want to give a try, Sarah?
Yes.
All right, very good. Now you can tell the story.
Mm, Last Sunday, Sarah was walking on the street, and suddenly she saw the man who called Matt. He is a pop star. Mm, Sarah wants to talk to a pop star, but there was many people and very loud, and she can't talk to him. Sarah went to the coffee. She she drank a cup of coffee. Later, the the pop star called Matt went inside the shop, and he saw Sarah. Sarah asked him some questions, and they are very happy. Sarah has a newspaper from him, and she was very happy.
That's right. So very good. So thank you so much for telling the story entitled Sarah Talks to a Pop Star. Now let me ask you a question. Sarah, does this have a happy ending? Does this story have a happy ending?
Yes.
Yes, it does. Now, why does the story ends happily?
Because they visit what's that?
That is right. Very good. So it also makes us famous if we are able to talk to a famous pop star. So imagine almost everyone were dying to talk to him, ask questions about him, but Sarah did not compete with other reporters. She just came into the canteen, ordered some food and drinks. Then, fortunately, Matt got inside and they were able to talk to each other. All right, so Sarah's just very lucky. Okay, so now I want you to look at the second picture, Mai. Okay, is Sarah near Matt Eagle now? Look at the second picture, Mai. Is she near the famous pop star called Matt Eagle? Yes, Mai. Look at the journalist, Sarah. Is she close to Matt Eagle?
Yes.
No, she's
Yes.
not. No, she's not. Okay, she's not close. Okay, now look at Matt Eagle. What is he doing in this picture?
He is a pastor.
Yes, but in this picture, what is he doing? Look at the second picture, Sarah. What is Matt doing here?
Man is Ủa Ben phỏng vấn gọi tiếng Anh sao? Bon kia không được gọi tiếng không được chơi mà. Bon kia không được chơi mà. Không, nhưng mà Bon đi rồi nhưng mà Bon kia không được chơi mà về Bon quýnh mình sao? Tắt đi.
Yes, what is he doing?
She is talking with many people.
That is right. Very good. Now, look at the third picture, Mai. What's Sarah doing in this picture?
Sarah is drinking a coffee in the room.
That's right. Okay, so who is coming in the cafe?
The pasta.
That's right. Very good. All right, now look at the fourth picture, Mai. Who is Sarah talking to now?
The pasta.
Very good. Okay, and lastly, look at the last picture. What can you read on the front page of the newspaper, Mai?
The pasta is a man.
Yeah, so what can you see on the front page of the newspaper? We can see
I can see Matt is on the magazine.
that's right. And the headline of the magazine is Our Journalist Sarah Talks to Matt Eagle. All right, so thank you so much for answering my question. So finally, after how many days, we are now done with Unit 17. Are you ready to proceed with Unit 18? Are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right. So let me share my screen. Unit 18 is about time and work. Okay, so if Unit 17 was all about jobs, okay, so Unit 18 is still about work, but it involves time. All right. Now, let's see how to tell time in English. I want you to look at the clock, Sarah. Your clock. What time is it now?
It's 8:39 o'clock.
That's right. Very good. Now, what about this one, Mai? What time is it? If I write like this, what time is it?
It's 30 minutes.
Say that again.
30 minutes.
One more time, please. I can't hear you well.
30 minutes.
It's 12:30. Okay, so Sarah, do you know the other way to tell the time in English?
It's 12:30 o'clock.
Very good. So there is also another way in telling the time. So we can say half past 12.
12.
That's right. Now, so there are two ways to tell the time in English. So let's learn this one. Okay, look at this one. So we have here midnight, that's 12 a.m. Okay, even though that when we say midnight, that is in the middle of the night. So that's 12 a.m. So from 12 a.m. up until 11:59, that's in the morning. a.m. We call that 1 a.m. But if the clock strikes at 12 p.m., this is noon. So if the time is here, we say good morning. But if it's midnight, we say good morning. Good morning / night. Good morning, like that. Okay, but look, how about if it's 12 o'clock? We say good noon. Then 12 o'clock onwards, that is in the evening or afternoon, evening, that one. So that is PM. So we can say good afternoon, then good evening. All right. Okay, now
Yes.
let's look at this one. Look at this. Oh,
Con
I'm
bên
going
tắt
to
đi.
circle the
Cô nó
time.
bắt con
Listen carefully.
chơi.
I'm going to circle the time and you tell me what time is it. Okay, look.
Có chơi không? Không chơi chắc chắn không? Có
Oh,
không?
look. Let's
Nói
take a
rằng
look
mẹ
at this one. So this is
nhưng mà mẹ
o'clock,
bố nhắc bên rồi mà.
5 past.
Ủa, mày
So take
Nãy
note that in every
bố kêu là không được chơi với coi.
number on the
Bố
clock,
bố nói sao?
the
Bố nói
shorthand
bên á.
represents minutes.
Có hả?
Có.
All right?
Bố nói là cẩn thận không?
Now, let's look at this one. So we have 5, 10, 15,
30, 50, 20,
20. Very good.
25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50,
Great.
55,
Nice.
60.
So, yes, 60. Great job. So every number here is equivalent to 5. Okay. Only if the long hand will point on that one. So the long hand represents minutes, while the short hand tells us the hour. So we have this one. What's this? So when we say 1, okay, so it represents the hour. So 1:30, like that. So here, 1:30. Okay, so what's the other word? What's the other way of telling 1:30 in English? So we can say 1:30. All right. Now look at this one. We also have here. This is the, what do we call this? This is the important way to remember in reading the time. So if it strikes here, that's o'clock. For example, the shorthand points at 3, then the longhand points at 12. So what time is it, Mai?
3 o'clock.
Very good. Now, Sarah, if the shorthand points at 6 and the longhand points at 15, what time is it? I can't hear you, Sarah.
Is 6:15.
All right, so don't
It's
forget,
6:15.
that's right, 6:15. Okay, now Mai, how about if the shorthand points at 8 and the longhand points at 2? What time is it?
8, 10. 8:10.
8:10. Try again. That's right. Okay, 8:10. Okay, but what's the other way of telling or reading this time? We have
It's 8:10.
That's right. Very good. Now let's practice more. I'm going to show you the time, then you read it in 2 ways. All right, Mai and Sarah? Okay, now look at this one. this. How do you read this one? My.
3:25.
Very good. So what's the other way of telling the time? We have what's the other way of telling the time, Sarah? So my said is 3:25, so that's correct. What about you, Sarah? What's the other way of reading this time?
Is um it's 3:10. No,
Oh,
no, it's
this
5:10.
this one.
This okay is 5:15.
Oh, try again. Try again. My is telling me something. So what's your answer, Mai?
It's 3:25.
That's right. Very good. So those are the two ways of telling the time. Okay, now your turn again, Sarah. Here, Sarah, what time is it now? Look at the one that I'm writing. Look at the one that I am writing on the screen.
11:45.
Very good. Now, what's the other way of telling the time?
It's 5:12.
5 to 12. All right. So this is one thing that you have to remember. So from numbers 1 to 6, we call that one past. But for numbers 7 to 11, that is 2. All right. So how do we read this? So we have quarter. So what's 45? Let's count. 5. Oh, it's very messy. So I'm going to write again. Look, 11:45. So let's count. Okay, so we have here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So it points to 9. So we have here quarter. It's quarter to 11. All right. Now let's give it another try. Look at this one, Sarah. What time is it? Oh, hold on. What time is it?
This is 12:35.
Very good. Can you tell me the other way of telling the time?
20, 25. Yeah. 12.
That's right, Mai. Very good. It's 25 to 12. Nice. Now, how about this one, Sarah? What time is it? Oh, no, no, no. What time is it?
It's 10:50.
Very good. How about the other way of telling the time?
It's 10 to 11.
Try
It's
again.
10 to 15.
All right, look. So we have here 10. The hour is 10. So we can say it's 10 because look at 50 minutes is it points at 10. So this is the long hand. So that's 50. So it's 10 to 10. It's 10 minutes before it turns to 10. That's the meaning of it's 10 to 10. All right. Now, let's try again, Sarah. Look at this one. What time is it? Oh, no. I want you to tell me the second way of telling the time.
It's 8:55.
Very good. How about the other way?
Oh, Ủa mình 8 giờ nào không? Còn cách khác để đọc không? Dạ.
Okay. Look, Sarah, let's
Okay.
count by 5.
Five.
Look,
Five.
here, Sarah.
5 to 8.
That's right. It's 5 to 8. So what does that mean? That means 5 minutes before 8 o'clock. All right. Now, how about this one, Sarah? What time is it?
Is 5:20 o'clock.
Very good. How about the other way?
It's 20 past 5.
Yes, that's very easy. All right. So I think you are now ready for the exercise. I'm going to cover this one. Okay, now tell me, Mai, what time is it?
It's 12 9.
12:09. Very good. Can you tell me the other way of telling the time? It's
It's 9 past 12.
very good. Now, your turn, Sarah. What time is it? Look, Sarah, what time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
Try again. Look at the short hand. Where does it point?
It's 8 o'clock.
Hold on. We are now here on the second picture. So look at the
Okay.
small hand. It points at 10. The long hand points at 2. So what time is it?
It's 10 to 10 o'clock.
Very good. Now what's the other way of telling it?
Is 10 past 10. Is 10 past 10.
It's 10 past 10. Very good. All right. Thank you for that one, Sarah and Mai. Now this time, I want you to send your individual answer to me only. All right? In the chat box. Do you get it? All right. Now look at this one. I'm just gonna ask you some question. No need to send me your answer. Just tell me the two ways of telling the times that we just learned on the previous page. So look at this one, Mai. It's 3 o'clock. Okay. Now look at letter B, Mai. What time is it? Tell me the two ways.
8:30.
Very good. And
30. It's 30 past 8.
try again.
It's 30. Half past 8.
That's right. Half past 8. So take note that when it says 30, that's half the time. Because, okay, why do we call it half? Because 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So what is, if you're going to divide 60 into 2, so that's equivalent to 30 minutes. So that's why we call it 8:30. All right, Mai?
Yes.
Very good. Now your turn, Sarah. Look at this one. What time is it?
It's 4 o'clock. It's
That's
16 o'clock.
very good. It's 4 o'clock. Now what about this one, Mai? What time is it?
It's 7:15 p.m.
Nice. What's the other way?
It's 7:15.
That's correct. Great job, Mai. Now what about you, Sarah? What time is it now?
It's 9:45 o'clock.
Very good. Then
It's 9 o'clock.
try again. So Mai, don't tell Sarah the answer. What time is it, Sarah?
It's 8:45.
That's correct. 8:45. Okay, now look at this one, Mai. Last but not the least. What time is it? You have to make your eyes bigger. What time is it?
It's 9:35.
Very good. So what's the other way of telling it?
It's 9:35.
Try again.
Pass 35 to 9.
All right. So look at this one, Mai. Okay, this is the clock. So we have number 12, number 6. Then all the numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From numbers 1 to 6, that's past. All right.
Yes.
Now, from numbers 7 to 11, that's what we call 2. So since it is 9:35, so where does the the long hand points at? So I'm going to draw. This is the short hand, and the long hand points at here. So what time is it?
It's 9:35 o'clock.
That is correct. So Mai already told me that one. Now, how about the other way of telling it, Mai?
It's 9:35.
9:35. All right, so let's look at this one. So how many minutes left before it will point at 9? So how many minutes left? Look, 60, you do the math. 60 minus 35 is equal to, what's the answer?
35.
Very good. Yes, that's right, Mai. 25. Okay, so look, 7, that's 25. Yes, it is equivalent to 35, but the question is, how many minutes left before the time strikes at 9? So we have, try again, Mai. It's 25 to
35 to 10.
all right, so it's 25 to 9. Oh, 25 to 10. Or 9 because it's not that clear. 25 to 9 or 9:35, like that. Okay, so today we just learned about how to tell time in English using two ways. So it's very easy to use the first method. If you just read the number and say the time, that's fine. But if you want to practice what we just learned tonight, then it's better to use the other way of telling the time. All right, Sarah and Mai?
Okay.
All right, so thank you so much for joining our class on time. Keep up the good work on that one. And I hope to see you on Thursday. I hope you learned something. Goodbye, Mai and Sarah.